Hello everyone, my name is Akhil. In this video, we are going to discuss about some of the important topics of number system topic. Now let's start with unit digit. What is the meaning of unit digit? Unit digit means it is the last digit of a number. Now what is the last digit of the number? Unit digit, the sum of or product of any two numbers will depend upon only the unit digit of the individual numbers. Let's see, what do I mean? What is the unit digit of 23 into 42? I want only the last digit. If you want only the last digit, just multiply 3 and 2. What is 3 into 2? That is 6. Now tell me, what is the unit digit of 2, 3, 4, 5 into 3, 6, 7, 3. Now how to get the unit digit? You just multiply 5 and 3. 5 3s are, it is 15. I want only the unit digit. So the answer will be 5. Now if I ask you, what is 2304 plus 2396? What is the unit digit? Unit digit is nothing but 4. Whatever the symbol I have written here, I will write again. And now we have to take 6. 4 plus 6, it is 10. But I only want unit digit. So the answer for this sum, the last number should be 0. Now if you take 2304 into 2396, I am taking the same numbers. But if you have into in the middle, 4 into 6 is 24. So the unit digit will be how much? It is nothing but 4. Now how to get? These numbers are very easy, right? How to get some more complicated numbers. If I ask you to find what is the unit digit of 2 power 91? What will be the answer? So the answer is 8. Let us see how. Now what is 2 power 1? 2 power 1 is 2, right? What is 2 square? 2 square is 4. I only want the unit digit. We will discuss only about the unit digit in this particular subchapter. Now what is 2 power 3? 2 power 3 is 8. 2 power 4 is 16, but the unit digit is 6. 2 power 5 is, it is 2. 32, it is 2. 2 power 6, again 2 it is 4. 2 power 7, it is 4 2s, it is 8. If you multiply 4 into 2, it is 8. 2 into 2, it is 4. 6 into 2, it is 12, right? 12 means it is 2. Now 2 power 8, again 8 2s are, it is 16. You will get it as 6. Again, if you take 2 power 9, what is 2 power 9? Do you see any repetition here? See, the repetition is 2 4 6 8. So we call this one as cyclicity. We call this one as cyclicity. Here the cyclicity is 4 because the 4 numbers are being repeated again and again, right? So that's why we call it as cyclicity. If you want 2 power 9, again it will be 2. If you want 2 power 10, it will be 4. But if I am asking directly, it is 2 power 91, it is near to impossible to get the answer in this way, right? You can't write all the 91 numbers. It is near impossible. You have to work around one shortcut. So what is that shortcut? What you will see? So if I want 2 power 11, I know you will get here it has 8. But let's see how to get 2 power 11 directly. So what you have to do is you have to follow 2 steps. First you have to divide the power with the cyclicity number. What is the cyclic number? It is 4. You just take the remainder out of it. What will be the remainder when 11 is divided by 4? So whenever you are dividing 11 with 4, it is 4 2s are, it is 8, it is 3. The remainder is 3. If the remainder is 3, then third digit of the cycle is the correct answer. So what is the unit digit of 2 power 11? It is 8. Third digit of the cycle. Now if you have, suppose if you want 2 power 21, I want to just find out what is the unit digit of this 2 power 21, or what is 2 power 21 means it is 2 into 2 into 2 into how many times I have to write? It is 21 times, right? Like this. Now how to get the unit digit? Just you have to follow 2 steps. Take the power and divide it with 4 and take the remainder out of it. What is the remainder? So what is the nearest multiple of 4? For 5 there is 20, right? So it is 1. Remainder is 1 means you have to always take the first digit of the cycle. If the remainder is 1, you have to take the first digit. You have to take always the first digit. If remainder is 2, you have to take the second digit. If remainder is 3, you have to take the third digit. If remainder is 0, then you have to take the last digit of cycle. Now why you are getting remainder 0? Whenever you are dividing any number with 4, the maximum remainder will be only 3. If it is more than 4, again you can divide with 4, right? You will get one more quotient again. So that's why the maximum remainder will be 3, the minimum remainder will be 0. Yesterday we have seen what is the meaning of remainder 0. That means the number is perfectly divisible by 4. Now we can use one shortcut. What is the divisibility rule of 4 says? Divisibility rule of 4 says the last 2 digits of the number should be divisible by 4. Using that, we can go further using the complex questions as well, solving the complex questions as well. We'll see. Now how? Say if I am asking you to find out, you can see here 2, 3, 7, 8 will be of case 1. Now just give me 1 minute. If you want 2 power 132, now what you have to do? We don't know what we'll do. We'll take the power and we'll divide with 4, right? But this will be a lengthy method. Now just what is the divisibility rule of 4 says? Divisibility rule of 4 says if you check the last 2 digits, this is more than enough, right? So just take the last 2 digits and divide with 4. What is the remainder? Remainder is 0. If the remainder is 0, you just have to take the last digit. What is the last digit? Last digit is 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. That means the last digit is 6. If I have 2 power 1022. Now what is the short form for this one? Just you have to write it as the short form is 2 power 22. Now 2 power 22 can be written as how can you tell the unit digit? Just take the remainder and divide it with 4. Take the remainder out of it. Now remainder will be 2. Remainder will be 2 means you have to take 2 power 2, which is 4. Remainder is 2 means you have to go for the second digit of the cycle. Now we'll take one more question. If you take 2 power 10893. Now what is the short form for this one? The short form is nothing but 2 power 93. 2 power 93 it is. You have to take the you have to take the power and you have to divide with 4 and take the remainder of it. What is the nearest multiple? Nearest multiple is 92, right? So 92 means the remainder will be 1. So if remainder is only 1, the answer is first digit of the cycle. Okay. Next, moving on. Now if you have something like this, what is 102 power 245? What is 102 power 245? Now the short form for this one is simply 2 power 45. Why? See here, 102 power 45. What is the literal meaning of it? It means 102 will be multiplied, should be multiplied like 245 times. I told you the unit digit of a product should always depend upon only the unit digit of the individual numbers. That means I don't require this 10 here. I don't require all these numbers. I just want to take it as 2 power whatever the power is there, 245. Now to what is 2 power 245 short form? It is 2 power 45. That is what I have written here, right? Now what is the nearest multiple of 4 near 45? It is 44, right? Now what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So you have to take the first digit of the cycle. This 2 power 1 is 2. Clear? Now let me take one more example. If you want 242 power 263. Now what is the short form? It is nothing but I don't want these two numbers here and I don't want this number here. These two numbers, because it follows a unit digit shortcut, and this one we should not take because we need not to take because it follows a divisibility rule of 4. So 63, 2 power 63. Now what is the unit digit of 2 power 63? You take the 63, divide it with 4, take the remainder of it. You can take that 4 15s is 60. That means 3 is the remainder. If the remainder is 3, you have to take it as 2 power 3, which is 8 is the answer. Clear or not? So it is the same. If you want 262 power 235. Now how can you do the shortcut for this one? Try it out. 2 power 35. Now 2 power 35 can be written as 2 power 3, because whenever you divide 35 with 4, the remainder will always be 3. So that means it is 8. Clear or not? Yes. Now case 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 all will follow cyclicity of 4 only. All will follow the same logic. It will be cyclicity of 4. Now let's see. 2 power 1 it is 2. 2 square it is 4. 2 power 3 it is 8. 2 power 4 it is 16, but the unit digit is 6. 2 power 5 it is 32, the unit digit is 2. 2 power 6 it is 64, but unit digit is 4. 2 power 7 it is 4 2s are 8, 128. And 2 power 8 and again it is 6. So you know it is following a pattern. What is 2486? If the remainder is 1, it is 2. If the remainder is 2, it is 4. Remainder is 3, it is 8. Remainder is 0, then it is 6. Similarly, if you see, the 3 also will follow the same cyclicity. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27, the unit digit is 7. 3 power 4 is 81, or you can take it as 7 3s are, it is 21. Again 3 power 5, 1 3s are is how much? 3. 3 power 6 it is again 9. 3 power 7 again it is 7. 3 power 8 it is again 1. Now same thing for with 7. Try it out with me. 7 power 1 is 7. 7 square it is 49. 9. 7 cube it is 343, it is 3. 7 power 4 again, if you take 3 7s are, it is 1. 7 power 5 it is 7 again. 7 power 6 it is what is this? 9. 7 power 7 it is 3. 7 power 8 it is 1. So what is the pattern here? 7931, 7931. So one more number. 8 power 1 is 8. 8 square is 64. 8 cube is 512. 8 power 4 is again 2 8s are entandi 6. Again 8 power 5 is 8. 8 power 6 is 4. 8 power 7 is 2. 8 power 8 is again 6. It follows the cyclicity of these values. So if you see whether it is 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, always it is following the cyclicity of 4. That means all 4 numbers are being repeated at once. Now if you want, see here 1 minute. If you have 102 power 241 into 243 power 223, if I take, now what will be the unit digit, right? Now what is the short form of this one? You have to take only 2 power 41. And what is the short form of this one? 3 power 23. Now take the remainder. What will be the remainder when you divide 41 with 4? Always it is remainder is 1, so it is 2 power 1. And what is the remainder there? For 5 is 20, remainder is 3. So what is the unit digit here? It is 2. What is the unit digit here? 3 cube is 27, it is 7. 2 7s are, it is 14. The unit digit is 4. Now if you have 240 is, let's say 248 power 241 into 247 power 242. Now what is the short form here? 8 power 41. And what is the short form here? 7 power 42. What is the unit digit when you what is the unit digit of this particular number? It is nothing but 8, right? 8 power 1 it is 8. Here it is 7 square. 7 square is 49. The unit digit is 9. 8 9s are is 72. So the unit digit is 2. Here this is how you are going to solve the questions in the examination. Only the case 1 is bit lengthy because it is following the cyclicity of 4. If you want to see here, let's see, we'll look at all these ones at once. If you can see here, 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. This is 2468 and this is 2486 and 2486 rather, and this is 3971, 3971 and 39, and here 7931, 7931 and 7931. Here it is 8426, 8426 and 8426. So this is how the cyclicity follows for the individual numbers. For 2 it is different, for 3 it is different, for 7 it is different, for 8 it is different, but it will follow one common quality. What is that? If the remainder is 1, then you have to take the first digit of the cycle. You have to take the first digit of the cycle. If the remainder is 2, you have to take it as second digit of the cycle. If the remainder is 3, it is the third digit of the cycle. If the remainder is 0, then you have to take the last digit of the cycle. So it will be the same for 3 and 7 and 8 as well. So that is case 1. It follows 2, 3, 7, 8 numbers. So moving on, for case 2, it is 1, 5, 6. Will follow the same pattern. I will call this one as x power n is equal to x, provided that n is greater than 0. So what is the meaning of that? We'll see. This is very easy. Case 2 is very easy. So 1 power 1 is how much? It is 1. 1 square is how much? 1. 1 cube is how much? It is 1. 1 power 100 is how much? It is also 1. 1 power anything is 1, right? If n is greater than 0, even if it is n is 0 also, 1 power 0 is also 1. But for 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square, it is 25, the unit digit is 5. 5 cube, it is 125, the unit digit is 5. 5 power 4, it is 625, unit digit is 5. That means 5 power 100 is also 5 only. There is no cycle value, all the values are same. If you take 6 power 1 is 6, 6 square is 36, 6 cube is 216, 6 power 4 is again 6 into 6, 36 only, 6 power 100 is also 6. That means if the x value is either 1, 5, 6, the unit digit will not change. Clear? That means if it is 101 power 125 into 106 power 243, suppose I am taking the random values. So 1 power 4, if the unit digit is 1, it is always 1. If the unit digit is 6, no matter what is the power, always it is 6. So 1 6 it is 6 is the answer for the product of these two numbers. Now if you take one more example, if you take 125 power 243 into 241 power 254. So 5 power anything is 5, 1 power anything is 1. So 5 ones are, it is how much? 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. Now moving on. So this is about 1, 5, 6. The condition is x power n is equal to x, provided that n is greater than 0, because 5 power 0 is 1, right? You are not going to get 5 here. N should be greater than 0 for 5 and 6. Now what is case 3? So we have dealt with 2, 3, 4 we have missed, 5, 6, 7, 8 also we have done, 9 we have missed. So case 3 will follow 4, 9. These two will follow the same pattern. So let us see. What is 4 power 1? It is 4. 4 square, it is 16. 4 cube, it is 64. It is again 4. Again 4 4s are is how much? Again 16. If you multiply 4 into 4, it is 16. So it is following the cyclicity value of 2, right? Then we will see 4 power 5 is again 4. 4 power 6 is again 6. So the pattern is 4 6 4 6 4 6 4 6 like that. 9 power 1 is 9. 9 square is 81. 9 cube is again 9. 9 power 4 is again 1. 9 power 5 is again 9. So if you see 9 power odd number, 9 power odd number, if the power is an odd number, always it is 9. and the power, if it is even number, then it will be always 1 when it comes to 9. But same logic here as well, right? 4 power odd is always how much? 4. 4 power even, it is always 6. Now if we take the examples, if I take 144 power 245 into 299 power 249, let's say. Now here 4 is a unit digit, it will always depend upon only the unit digit, right? So 4 power odd number, it is 4. 9 power odd number, it is always 9. 4 9s are, it is 36. The unit digit is 6. The unit digit is of that product is 6. If you take one more example, one more. Now 244 power 268 into 299 power 298. So this is 4 power even. 4 power even is 4 square. 4 square is 16, and 9 square is 181. It is 1. So 6 ones are, it is again 6. So the product of these two numbers, again it is 6. So that is about the unit digit. We have seen what we have seen. Case 1, it is 2 3 7 8. So it will follow the cyclicity of 4. And if you see 1 5 6, it will follow the same number x bar n is equal to x, provided that base numbers are 1 5 and 6. If what is the case 3? Case 3 is 4 and 9. 4 power odd number is 4, 4 power even number is 6, 9 power odd number is 9, and 9 power even number is 1. Now let's see some example questions here. So find the unit digit of the expression. Too lengthy question, right? But we can solve. Because we know the shortcuts. So something I missed. Option D, it is not given. Here it is given. It is 7. Okay, let's see. 3 power. What is the short form of this? 3 will follow case 1, right? It will follow the cyclicity of 4. That means 3 power. You can write this one as 3 power 69 into 2 power 26 into 7 power 30. Now, what is 3 power 69? 68 is a multiple of 4. You have to take the power, you have to divide with 4, right? So 3 power 1 here you will get, that is 3. Next 2 power 26. 24 is a multiple of 4. That means the remainder will be 2. So 2 square, it is 4. Again 7 power 30. 28 is a multiple of 4. That means it is 7 square, it is 9. 9 4s are 36, it is 6. 6 3s are, it is 18. That answer should be 8. Now how can you, I know I have not given here, I think there must be some problem. You can take the E value as 8. Let me check again. This is 68, 3 power 1, and 2 square, it is 4, and 7 power 30, 7 square, it is 49, that is 9, 9 4s are 36, 6 3s are 18. Or if you check like this, 3 4s are, it is 12, 2 9s are, it is 18. The same answer. Now 7 power 94, it is 7 power 94 into 6 power anything is 6. 4 power even number, 4 power even number, 4 square, it is 6 again. 7 power 94 means it is 9. 9 into 6 into 6, 9 6 are, it is 54. 4 6 are, 4 6 are, it is 24. The unit answer is 4 is the answer. Clear or not? Now moving on. Now what is the unit digit of the expression for these two numbers? It is 5 power something is 5. 3 power 96. 96 is a multiple of 4, is it not? So remainder value will be 0. If the remainder is 0, you have to take the last digit, right? 3 power 4. 3 power 4 can be written as 9 into 9. 9 9s are, it is 81. And 6 power anything is 6. So 5 6 are, it is what? It is 30. The unit digit is 0. Let's see the shortcut for this one. See, whenever you have 5, if you have 5 into even number, 5 into any even number, the unit digit is 0. If you want to check, see here 5 2s are is how much? 10, it is 0. 5 4s are, it is 20, again it is 0. 5 8 zar it is 40, again it is 0. 5 into 120 it is 2400, again it is 0. That means the unit digit, whenever you are multiplying with 5, if it is an even number, you will always end up with 0 as your product, as your unit digit. So 5 into even number is always 0. That means 5 into odd number, 5 into odd number will always be 5. So 5 into 1 it is 5, 5 3s are 15, again it is 5, 5 7s are 35, again it is 5. 5 into odd is always 5 itself. So here you have a 5 here, but these two are odd numbers or not? Odd number, odd power anything is odd only. That means if you multiply with 5 into 3 also, it will be odd number. 5 into 7 something is also odd number. That means the answer is always 5. The answer is 5. So moving on. So this is about unit digit. We'll revise at the end. Now we'll move to something very important, very basic again, which is one of the useful topics in number system, that is nothing but factorization. So in one of the classes we have seen what is the factor. What is a factor? Factors are those numbers which can divide the given number. If you take, or if the remainder is 0, that means one individual number will be the factor of another thing. We'll see what is the basic difference between a factor and multiple in LCM and HCF topic, but as of now we'll stick to factor. Factors are those numbers which can divide the given number, Now if I take what are the factors for 8? What are the factors for 8? Factors for 8 are 1 can divide 8 times, 2 can divide 8 4 times, 4 can divide 8 2 times, 8 can divide 8 1 time. Now if I want, what are the factors for 6? 1 2 3 and 6. All, if you divide these numbers, if you divide with 6, that means the remainder will always be 0. If you take it as 12, the number as 12, 1 can divide 12, 2 can divide 12, 3 4 6 and 12. Or in our school days we used to write like this: 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. All numbers I have written here or not. But if I give you the number as something called as 1540, can you write these in the same way? Yes, you can write, but it will take you so much time. But in the examinations, no one will ask you to find out what are the factors for 12. They will just simply ask you to find out what are the total number of factors for 12. It is nearly impossible if you take all the factors in 1 minute, right? If it is near to impossible to calculate all the factors unless there is a shortcut. So we'll work on it. Now how to solve any total number of factors for any given number using one shortcut, using one formula. We'll derive that formula and we'll use. But knowing the formula is one thing, but applying it in a logical way is also another thing, right? If you by heart one formula, you will forget easily. That's why I'll tell you what is the logic behind that formula. We'll derive that formula and we'll use in that bigger numbers. Okay. Now 6 can be written as 2 into 3. Yes or no? Now can I write this one as 2 power 1 and 3 power 1? There are two numbers hiding here. What are those numbers hiding in 2 power 1 means? One is 2 power 0 and another one is 2 power 1. Now what are the two numbers hiding here? You can guess it. It is nothing but 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. Whenever you are multiplying 2 power 0 and 3 power 0, 1 into 1, that means this factor got created. Now 2 power 0 into 3 power 1. What is 2 power 0? 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 1, it is 3. 1 into 3, it is 3. This is how this factor got created. Now, what is 2 power 1 into 3 power 0? 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 0 is 1. That means this is how that 2 got created. Whenever you multiply 2 power 1 into 3 power 1, 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 is 2 into 3, that is 6. This is how this factor got created. So this side there are two factors, this side there are two factors. Whenever you are multiplying these two, you are getting total 4 factors. What are those 4 factors? Is 1, 2, 3, 6. How can you write this one? You can write this one as 2 power 3. 2 power 3 can be written as 2 power 0. There are some numbers hiding there, right? 2 square and 2 cube. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 square is 4 and 2 cube is 8. So these are the 4 numbers. These are the 4 factors. This is how the factors got created for 8. If you see a bit bigger number, now 12 can be written as 4 into 3. But always whenever you are writing like this, always that number should be a prime number. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have only 2 factors exactly. 4 has 3 factors, right? So we have to work out something. 4 can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. Now what are the factors? How many number of factors are there in 2 square? There are 3. How many numbers are there in 3 power 1? It is 2. What is 3 2s are? It is 6. This is how these factors are got created. Clear? So if there is a number, just give me 1 minute. If there is a number called as 2 power A, 3 power B, 5 power C and 7 power D, something like that. So these are prime, these numbers should be prime numbers. So how can you calculate? First you have to prime factorize these numbers, and you have to, if you want to calculate total number of factors can be calculated as, now always what we are doing, we are adding 1 to this one, right? Total number of factors as A power 1, B power 1, C power 1 and D power 1, so on. So if you take one example, if you take the number as 72 can be written as 8 into 9, but are these prime numbers? No. So 8 can be written as 2 cube and 9 can be written as 3 square. So what you have to do, it is in the form of this model only. That means how to find out total number of factors? Total number of factors can be found out by 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 it is again 3. So 4 3s are, it is 12 is the total number of factors for 72. If you take the factors as 36, number as 36 can be written as 4 into 9. 4 can be written as 2 square, 9 can be written as 3 square. You can write this one as 3 into 3. 3 3s are, it is 9 factors will be there for 36. You can write for bigger numbers as well. Bigger number, if I take a 3-digit number 108 can be written as 12 into 9. 12 can be written as, again we know, right? We know it as 4 into 3 into, you can write this one as 3 square. So that means 2 square into 3 square is 3 cube. That means the answer is 3 into 4 is 12 factors are there for 108. 12 factors are there for 108. If you take one more hard number, 720 can be written as, we'll go slow, step by step. You can write it as 72 into 10. You can write this one as 8 into 9 into, I'll write 10 as 10 only. Now it is 2 cube and this is 3 square and this is what, 2 into 5. So 2 cube 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 1. So 5 into 3 into 2. 5 into 3 it is 15. 15 2s are, it is 30. 30 factors are there for 720. So this is how the factors are created. What you have to do, you have to just take the values in the form of prime numbers, prime factorization you have to do, and just you have to add 1 to this number and you just have to multiply it. So you have to always keep, don't forget, you have to always keep these numbers in the prime numbers only. So prime numbers are those numbers which can have only 2 factors. So that is the formula. We'll try out some questions and we'll see what are the odd numbers, odd factors, even factors, what is sum of factors, what is product of factors, and then we can conclude this factorization topic. Now moving on, let's solve some more questions. What is 154 can be written as? 154 can be written as, it is a multiple of 11, right? What is divisibility rule of 11 says? Divisibility rule of 11 says, if you add alternatively sum of odd places minus sum of even places should be 0 or 11. So what is 1 plus 4? It is 5 and it is 5. So 11 into, it is 14, right? So 11 into 14 can be written as 2 into 7. So all our powers are 1. That means it is 2 into 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2 into 2? It is 8 factors are there for 154. Now what is for 360? 360 I think we have solved. We'll solve again. It is 4. Let's say this is 36 into 10. We would take this one as 4 into 9 into 10. Now this is 2 square into 3 square into 2 into 5. So this is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. So what is 2 cube? 2 cube value is, so you have to take it as 4. What is 3 square can be written as? I mean in b plus 1 it is 3 and it is 2. Now 12 twos are, it is 24 factors are there for 360. So for 154 only 8 factors are there. For 360 it has so many factors, right? That's why it will have 24 number of factors. So moving on, total number of factors for 540. 540 can be written as 54 into 10, is it not? So how can you write 54 as? 54 can be written as in many forms, but you can write it as 96. So 9 into 6, 9 into 6 into 10, and this is 3 square into 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, right? So let's count number of 2's, number of 3's and number of 5's. 2 square and 3's cube and 5 power 1. That means it is 3 into 4 into 2. Again it is 12. 12 2's are, it is 24 factors are there for 540. Again for 1080 can be written as 108 into 10. 108 can be written as 12 into 9. 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Now 12 can be written as 3 into 4 into 3 square into 2 into 5. Let's count number of 2's first. Here 2 is there. Here 4 means 2 square is there. That means it is 2 cube. And this is 3 cube. And it is 5 power 1. That means 4 into 5. For 5's are, it is 20. 24's are, it is 80 factors are there for 1080. 80 factors are there for this 1080. So let's move further. Now how to calculate the odd factors? I don't want all the factors. I just want to find out the odd factors in that one. If I take 6, what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 6. I don't want this 2 and 6 here. I just want to know how many odd factors are there for 6, that is nothing but 1 and 3, but this is a simple number, we can directly find out. If I give you that 1080 again, that has 80 factors, I want to know how many odd factors are there. Like that, if you take, I'll tell you one example. Let's take 6 only. 6 can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Whenever you want any odd factors, just try to eliminate the even part. You will get it as 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. So how many factors are there? 2 factors are. What is 3 power 0? It is 1. What is 3 power 1? It is 3. So total how many factors are there? 2 factors are there. As I have told you, they will not ask what are the factors are there, but they will ask how many factors will be there. Whether it will be odd factors, it might be even factors, or it might be prime factors, or it might be composite factors. All they will ask what is the number of factors. Now let's move further. If you take 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So this can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. That means you can eliminate the even part. What is left out? Again 3 power 0 only. 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. Again there are only 2 factors. Now let's take one more number. If you take one more number, 54. 54 can be written as 9 into 6. Again it can be written as 3 square into 2 into 3. That means 2 into 2 power 1 into 3 cube. How many factors are there if you eliminate the even part? There are 4 factors, 4 odd factors. That is very important. That is not total number of factors. 4 odd factors are there for 54. So we'll take one 3-digit number and we'll see what is even factors. 108 if we take, this is 12 nines are, this is 4 into 3 into 9, this is 2 square into 3 cube. So how many factors are there? How many factors are there? 4 factors are there again. 4 odd factors are there for the number 108. Clear? For 54 it is 4 factors, for 12 it is only 2 factors, it is 1 and 3, and for 6 it is only 2 factors, but for 108 also it is 4 factors again. So this is how you have to find out what are odd factors. What you can do, you can eliminate the even part. Eliminate the even part. Just eliminate the even part, write the prime factorization. I think you have to only remove 2 because 2 is the only even prime number, right? So that's why you have to only eliminate the 2 part, remaining things you can carry it. So if you have, how can you find even factors? Can you find even factors for a number? How many number of even factors are there? Just see here, if you have 12, there are 2 methods. You can do total number of total minus odd. There will be only 2 types of factors, right? Whether it will be odd factors or it will be even factors. So if you do total minus odd factors also, you will get the answer. I will tell you one more method. Let's focus on this one first. 12 can be written as 4 into 3. So this can be written as 2 square into 3 power 1. That means 3 into 2, total 6 factors are there. But I only want even factors, right? What do you have to do? Next step, step number 2. You have to follow odd factors. Now how many odd factors are there? Same, we'll copy here. Copy from here, 2 square into 3 power 1. You have to eliminate the even part. So how many factors are there? 2 factors are there. That means how many even factors are there? So 6 factors are total, 2 factors are odd. That means 6 factors minus 2 factors, it is 4 factors are there. Don't you think this is a lengthy method? So if you take one more example, if you take, let me take here, for 108 if I take, this is 12 into 9, this is 4 into 3 into 3 square, that is 2 square into 3 power 3, that means 3 into 4, total 12 factors are there. So this is total factors. When it comes to odd factors it is, what do you have to do? Eliminate the even part, 3 cube is there, that means 4 factors are there. Total 12 factors minus 4 factors, it is 8 factors are there. But this is a 2-step process. I'll give you one formula which will get you the answer, one logic which will get you the answer directly. If you take you have to take this as prime factorization, there is no other way. So 2 square into 3 power 1, right? This is for 12. I just want to know in one step. I don't want to calculate odd factors, and I don't want to subtract or take the difference between total and odd. I just want to take it in one step. So what I will do is I will take 2 common, 2 common here. So what will be there? 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Now you have to calculate total number of factors inside that one, inside the bracket. So that means 2 into 2, that is 4 factors. Now same here, for 108 it is 2 square into 3 cube, right? I will take 2 common. So 2 power 1 into 3 cube, that means it is 2 into 4, that is also 8 factors. So for odd factors, what you are doing, you are eliminating the even part, right? For even factors, you have to take 2 common. That means you have to take 2 power 1 common. between these 1, 2 you can take out. If you take out, then you will get the answer directly in one step. So rather than doing this total, you can just solve this question using one step. So that is about odd factors, even factors, and we have seen total number of factors as well. Now we are going to see how we can get product of factors. Product of factors is also very important. Product of factors, if you take for the number 12. So what are the factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. I just want to know what is the product of all these numbers. So how to do? 1 12s is how much? 12. 2 6s is how much? 12. And 3 4s is how much? 12. That means answer is what? 12 cube. It is nothing but 1728. But even if they will not ask this one, they will just ask in the format of 12 only. So how to get this one? It is 12 power 3. But if you take 6, it will be 1, 2, 3, 6. 6 1s is 6 and 3 2s are 6. That is nothing but 6 square. That is nothing but 36. But these are easy numbers, right? 12, 6 is easy number. If you have 840 like that, then it will be very lengthy if you are writing this one, and if you are writing if you are multiplying that one. That means we have to work out some method where you can rely on that method in an examination in order to get you the answer in just 1 minute itself. So let's see, 12 means here how many factors are there for 12? Total how many factors are there? Total 6 factors are there. What is the power here? It is nothing but 3. That means 3 pairs are there, right? 3 pairs are there. 3 pairs I have taken, that's why I put it as 3. Now here also, how many pairs are there? Total 4 factors are there. Any pairs in it? Total 2 pairs are there. Total 2 pairs are there. So that means you will write it as 6 square. Now if you take, you can write like this. You can write total number of factors. Total number of factors, how to find out? 4 into 3, 4 into 3, 2 square into 3 power 1. Total 3 into 2, that is 6 factors. Just you have to take the answer as capital N power small n. Capital N power small n. What is the capital N means? Capital N is nothing but given number. Small n is nothing but number of factors divided by 2. Number of factors divided by 2. So here total n is 12. Small n is what? N is equal to total number of factors are 6. 6 factors by 2, that is 3. So answer is what? 12 power 3. So what is the formula for finding product of factors? Capital N power small n. Capital N is nothing but given number. Small n is nothing but number of factors. Now we will solve one more question on this one. And there is one more type in this one itself. When it is a square number, it will follow the different rule. That also we'll see. But just will follow 108. What are the product of factors for 108? First of all, we have to find out what is total number of factors. Total number of factors can be written as, first we have to prime factorize. 12 9s are 108. It is 4 into 3 into 3 square. So 2 square into 3 power 3, that is 3 into 4, total 12 factors are there. What is the formula? Formula is nothing but capital N power small n. Capital N is nothing but 108. Small n is what? Small n is number of factors divided by 2. That is 6. So 108 power 6 is the answer. Now if you take for 540. 540, what is the product of factors? 540 means 540 into 10. That is 9 into 6 into 10. This is 3 square and this is 2 into 3 and this is 2 into 5. So 2 square into 3 cube into 5 power 1, that is nothing but 3 into 4 into 2. 3 4s are 12, 12 2s are 24 factors are there. So what is the product of factors? 540 power 24 by 2, it is 12. So what is the answer for product of factors? All the multiplication, all the product of all the factors of 540, that is 540 power 12. But when it comes to square numbers, let's take one square number. A square number as 36. If you take 36, what happens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Again, 9, 18. Have I missed anything? 36. 12 is also there. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. So 1 into 36, it is 36. 2 into 18 is also 36. 3 into 12 is also 36. 9 into 4 is also 36. And there is one number which is 6. So what is the answer? It is nothing but 36 power 4 into 6. Now how to get the number how to get this answer for a bigger number? You can't know, you can't know the answer in 1 minute, right? How to get all these values in 1 minute? It is nearly impossible to get it. So that's why we'll take one more square number, we'll work it out. See here, how many pairs are there? Total, how many pairs are there? Total 4 pairs are there. But here 6 doesn't have any pair. That means you have to multiply 6 also. So the formula is capital N power small n into root n. Now what is, root capital N. What is capital N? It is same as previously, number of factors. Sorry, just give me 1 minute. So n is what? N is given number. Small n is number of factors minus 1 by 2. So there is a change, because whenever you are getting for 36, for square numbers, these are square numbers, right? Perfect squares, because this is the 6 square. For these perfect squares, always if you count the number of factors, it will always be 9. It will not be divided with 2, right? It cannot be divided by 2. That's why we are taking minus 1 divided by 2. So let's work it out. So capital N we know, small n is equal to, or how many number of factors are there? If you count there, 9 factors are there. 9 minus 1 by 2, it is 8 by 2, that is 4. So what is the formula? Capital N is 36, 36 power 4 into root 36. So 36 power 4 into root 36 is 6. So we'll solve one more question with 100. 100 can be written as 25 into 4. 25 into 4, this is 5 square into 2 square. That means how many factors are there? 3 into 3. That is 9 factors are there. Again, that means answer is 100 power small n means n minus 1 by 2. It is again 9 minus 1 by 2. It is 4 into root 100. It is 10. So this is how it is different from the normal numbers. Perfect numbers, perfect squares always will have odd number of factors. But for any other number, if you take 108 and 540, all these numbers, if you count, we have done the questions, right? You can see the previous slides. They are always even number of factors only will be there. But here, when it comes to 36, 100, 144, all these numbers will contain odd number of factors. That's why the formula, there is a bit change in the formula. This is the formula for getting product of factors for perfect squares. So that is about product of factors for normal numbers and for perfect squares. There is only one more. What is sum of factors? Now how to get sum of factors? How to get sum of factors, we'll see. Now how to get total sum of factors for 12? 12 it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10, 16, 16 plus 12 it is 28. But this is an easy number. Now how to get sum of factors for a bigger number? So let's work it out. Let's see here. It can be written as 4 into 3 that is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. I told you there are two numbers hiding there, right? Total 3 numbers are hiding there. One is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, and here 2 numbers are hiding, 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. Just put a bracket for different numbers and please put a sign plus. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 4 into 3 plus this is 1. So this is 4 into, how much is this? 7. So 4 7s are, it is how much? 28 is that. So if you take for one bigger number, so if you take for 72, now how it will be, let's see. For 72 can be written as 8 into 9. So this is 2 cube into 3 square. So 2 power 0 plus 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 into 3 power 0 plus 3 power 1 plus 3 power 2. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 into 1 plus 3 plus 9. 1 plus 3 is, sorry, 1 plus 9 is 10, 13 here. And here it is 10, this is 15. 13 into 15 is 150, 150 plus 45, 195 is the answer. What is the sum of factors for all the numbers of 72? It is 195. So this is how you have to break the factors and you have to sum it up. You just have to take for individual numbers, individual brackets, and just you have to add all the numbers and you have to multiply between these two individual numbers. So this is how you have to do sum of factors. So what we have seen in factorization, we have seen total number of factors, we have seen even factors, odd factors, product of factors, and sum of factors as well. So just we will revise this one and conclude this session. Just give me 1 minute. What we have seen at first, we have seen unit digit, right? So let's see from the first case. So case 1 of unit digit, what it will tell, what are the numbers involved there? 2, 3, 7, 8. It will follow always cyclicity of 4. Cyclicity of 4. So 2, 4, 8, 6 is for 2, and for 3 it is 3, 9, 7, 1, 3, 9, 7, 1. And for 7 it is 7, 9, 3, 1, 7, 9, 3, 1, almost the same numbers here. And 2 and 8 are also similar, but the order is different. 8, 4, 2, 6 and 8, 4, 2, 6. So if you take case 2, it number says x power n is equal to x. The base value should be 1, 5, 6, provided if for 1 always the number will be 1 only. For 5 always the unit digit will be 5. For 6 always the unit digit will be 6 itself. And for case 3 will follow the cyclicity of 2, or you need not to take like that. You just take 4 power odd is 4, 4 power even is 6, 9 power odd is 9, and 9 power even is 1. So that is about case 1, case 2 and case 3 of unit digit. Now if you move to factorization, how to find out total number of factors? If you break this one into prime factors and the powers of prime factors, then you just have to add 1 to the indices or powers. If A is there, you have to just do A plus 1. If B is there, you have to do B plus 1. C means C plus 1 and D means D plus 1. Now for total number of factors, we have seen a couple of questions and we have moved to odd factors. For finding out odd factors, what you have to do? You just have to eliminate the even part. Whenever there is an even part, you just strike it off. Most probably it will be always 2 only. Not most probably, always it will be 2 only. So just you have to eliminate this 2 part. Now for even factors, there are 2 methods. You can take total minus odd, or you can take 1 2 common, as I have done here. If you take 1 2 common and if you perform that A plus 1 B plus 1 formula, then you will get directly even number of factors as well. So for finding out product of factors, this is the normal, for normal numbers, the formula is n power n being number of given number, and small n being number of factors divided by 2. For perfect squares, For perfect squares, always the formula will be capital N power small n into root of capital N. N is the same given number, small n is number of factors minus 1 by 2. So these are the main important subtopics in number system. So let's conclude here. So I hope you like the session. So keep watching. Thank you.